Hello, Chef here. So there's a little bit of confusion about potatoes. I thought I'd share some stuff with you here. Okay, these are washed clean potatoes, looking good. This one here is a Yukon Gold. I like these. They're kind of a buttery variety. So there's a lot of questions about potatoes. Potatoes, first of all, are very popular throughout the world. Just like rice and other starches, the white potato, or even this Yukon Gold, is considered an Irish potato because it's so popular around the world. Ireland, Europe, everybody loves these babies, and they're pretty easy to grow. They grow just about anywhere, so you need to store them in a cool, dry place. You don't want them to be wet. This one's wet because I washed it, but anyway, people ask if the eyes are poison, and the answer is no, unless you eat a huge quantity of them, which you're not going to do. They're growing. They're starting to grow right there. So the starch is converting to sugar, and because of that, you want to remove it. A good quality peeler like this is essential. Mine is made in Sweden. I love it. So anyway, you take and you stick this in the eye, and you pop it out. That's the best thing you can do for the eyes. You only want to do that if there's a lot of eyes or if they're starting to really grow big. Otherwise, you don't have to worry so much about it. Most of these potatoes are fine. This one's got a lot of eyes right here, so I just remove these babies like this. Okay, this is also nice for popping any dirt out if you got a little chunk of dirt, something like that. So anyway, quickly remove the eyes, and then these babies will be ready to go. Looking good. I'll give you a real quick recipe here while we're at it. So, let's see. I got the eyes, enough of the eyes out of these potatoes here. Okay, you discard these. You actually could plant them in your garden if you want to, but I discard them. All right, so then a quick recipe for you. We're just going to take these potatoes and cut them into some small wedges like this. And these are going to be roasted potatoes. About uniform size like this. Once they all get cut up, we're gonna add some seasonings and get them roasted, okay? Okay, real quick recipe for you here. Here we go. Potatoes go in the mixing bowl. Once they're in the bowl, we're going to add extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit. Okay, we're gonna put some sea salt, quite a bit, pepper. Okay, going to be adding some herbes de Provence, just like this, as well as some dry thyme, a little bit of thyme in there. Everyone needs some thyme now and then. Okay, we're going to toss these together like this. These get placed on a roasting pan, baked in the oven at 350 until brown. The finished roasted potatoes, looking good. You can see they've picked up a little bit of color and nice flavor, a little browning. They could be reheated or browned again. Anyway, that's it. And I wanted to tell you that potatoes, about a 2-ounce serving, has 145 calories, 3 grams of protein, 33 carbs, little fiber, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, vitamin C, niacin, and folate. And potatoes are just really good for your health overall. You should eat at least 1 serving of potatoes every week. If you want to eat 3 or 4, that's fine. There's so many ways to prepare them. It goes on and on and on. Another recipe, of course, is to boil them, especially with new potatoes. You know, you add butter and parsley. It just goes on and on. So many things you can do with them. Anyway, that's it. Enough on potatoes. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor right there, and have a great day. Keep cooking. Yeah. Strawberries right there. Really, really pretty. It just adds to the effect of the food and the garnish, and as you know, people eat with their eyes. Yeah.